Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over an easy question that I solved around 4 or 5 months ago. So this one is called convert binary number in a linked list to an integer. So you're given a head of a linked list. This is not an integer array, it's a linked list object of type list node. And basically it says that right here, and the value of each node is either 0 or 1, so binary, on or off, on. And the linked list holds a binary representation of a number, and you want to return the decimal value of the number in the linked list. Basically, the most significant bit is at the head of the linked list. What that means is turn this into an integer and then just return the binary representation as an integer. So pretty straightforward. Since this is a linked list, let's create an empty array and get all the values in the linked list. cur.append head.val. Move the pointer forward so we don't run into an infinite loop. Let's print current, and now what we have is an integer array. How do we turn this back into an integer? Well, let's first make this a string so that when we call this num, we can just make this integer of join current, because this is already string, so let's make it a string and then let's make it an integer. So let's print num. Now you get 101, right? Just a number. Now you just get 0, and then just turn this back into binary. So binary num is binary integer of num to maybe base 2. Okay, I guess you can't do that. So okay, so how do you convert this back into an integer representation? Let's say a equals binary of num. Let's print a, and now let's convert a back into an integer with another variable b. Let's print b. Okay, maybe 2 to the power 2 to the n, so we don't have the 0b at the front. Okay, or maybe we can just do something clever. So for I in range up to, let's say, 100, if binary of I, 2 to the power of n, is equal to num, then just return I. Right, that's the current number. As an integer, if it equals to num, then return I. So we're just literally manually doing this, and no, that doesn't work. I guess a very big number, 100,000, because 130,000. Wow. Okay. It might get time limit exceeded, honestly. Oh wow. I'm really dealing with some big numbers here. Just as soon as we find it, just return it. So not quite. Oh wow. Okay, 1 4 3 7 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Maybe we just make this 5 million. How big do we want to make these numbers? Maybe get time limit exceeded. Okay, I knew it. Okay. Fair enough. I guess we can't do that. So we just got to turn this back into its... Okay. Okay, let's print binary of num. Okay. A equals binary of num 2 to the power of n, 2 to the end to get rid of the 0, b up front. How to turn this back into, maybe if we make this a string and we say int a2. Nope. Print a. Wait, return num int num2. Convert a non-string with an explicit base. Oh, okay, cool. So you just get the binary and then you convert that back into an integer base 2, because 2 to the power of 10 to the power of 2 is 100, I guess. So there you go. Passes all test cases. So just got to play around with this a little bit, but I was able to solve it on my own, as you could see at the end, although it took a while. Other than that, it's pretty intuitive. Thank you for watching, and that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more.